I've just acquired this Ford Focus Zetec S. It's the sporty facelift model. So you've got the bigger grille and front spoiler and bumper there. It's got gloss black alloy wheels. Bodywork's in absolutely superb condition. Obviously with the Zetec S Sports you've got the lower side sills, deeper rear bumper, high level rear spoiler. It's also got the black roof. It drives absolutely spot on, very economical as well. We've got the Zetec interior. It's got sync, so Bluetooth, air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.